presenting a pre-owned 2018 Honda Ridgeline Sport. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Honda has less than 168,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.